Welcome to this new series entitled Motion Simulation. In this course or series, we are going to analyze the objects that are in motion with the help of software that is Siemens NX. In that, we are going to use the motion environment to see and analyze our CAD model. So this would be in English, and in this video, we are going to discuss the syllabus. If you see the table of content here, the first part that we are going to deal with is the theory here. So in theory, we are going to do two things. First, we'll understand the theory behind this motion simulation. Everything that is there in the motion simulation software, the technology and terms or the nomenclature, we are going to discuss in this video. And then we'll get introduced with the motion simulation interface so that when we do the practical in the future, we are not confused or we are able to fully understand everything. And then we'll hop on to joints and mechanism. In this, different joints would be constructed in a series of video lectures. Then we'll study about some different drivers. Then we will move forward to create some mechanism. This is a very popular mechanism which is 4-bar mechanism. Then we'll create a slider crank mechanism. And then we have vice assembly simulation. After that we can do the knuckle and tie rod simulation. In this we are going to get introduced with new kinds of joints. And then there is a table fan simulation, and this would be a series of lectures of different gear arrangements where the different simulation can be played and learned through. Not only this, when I talk about modeling, this is not only surface modeling or solid modeling. You can actually simulate and analyze all the wireframe or curves. So in this software, you can also analyze the wireframe data. That is, you do not need to model the geometry in solid or surface. You can directly see the mechanism in motion using the curves, and then you can finalize your prototype and then move forward. For that, I'm going to teach you engine simulation that would be based on some curves, right? Then we'll come into this constraint. This constraint will have different types of special connections, that is point on curve, point on surface, and curve on curve, like that. So in this we are going to deal with the constraints. Then we'll get on to connectors. This contains, for example, 2D contact or 3D contact. This is mainly to connect two objects that are in motion. So we'll learn upon that. In future also you will see that this lecture is being updated. That means in the future I'll be adding more videos to it, so you can come back to this and continue with your learning. Now, if you are interested in some other courses that I teach, there are these courses: reverse engineering, geomagic, that is also reverse engineering, and then we have Autodesk Mold Flow, injection mold design, and this course that you are seeing, which is NX Motion Simulation. If you want to visit my website directly, you can scan the QR code on the left, and if you want to visit my YouTube channel, then you can scan the QR code on my right. And if you have any doubts or suggestions or queries, you can always call or WhatsApp me and even email me using the details that has been provided in the description, right? So let's not waste any time and let's start with the simulation.